Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blocks move in Melon Playground. First, select any object by tapping it. You can then drag it around the screen to reposition it. Use the two-finger pinch gesture to resize objects, making them larger or smaller. To rotate, use a two-finger twist. Remember, objects have physics, so they will fall or react to other items unless frozen. To create more dynamic movement, you'll want to use joints. There are several types, such as rope, fixed, and spring joints. Select two objects, then choose a joint type from the menu. For example, a rope joint allows objects to swing, while a fixed joint keeps them rigidly connected. You can adjust properties like the rope's length or the spring's stiffness to fine-tune the motion. Making objects move interactively adds a new layer of fun. You can use in-game buttons and levers to control movement. Place a button, then connect it to the object you want to activate using the wiring tool. When the button is pressed, the connected object can be set to move, rotate, or even disappear. Experiment with different connections to create intricate mechanisms. Sometimes, objects might not move as expected. A common issue is incorrect layering. Ensure your movable object is not stuck behind another. Check collision settings to make sure objects can interact. Also, experiment with different material properties like rubber or metal as they affect how objects react to forces. Don't be afraid to try various settings to achieve your desired motion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.